Hi guys, it's Funk here at Scale Street Garage. This time it's the Lesney 20B eveready truck. This one was from 1959 to 1965. As you'll see, it's well played with, lots of play wear on it. All the paint's chipped off and going in and out of the toy boxes and cupboards and boxes, etc. All the decals are off, rusty axles. Other than that, it's in good condition. Blub, 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 blub. Oh, sorry, wrong channel. It is in good condition, I must admit. So let's get it apart. Just the one rivet post on these, which at the back of the truck, and the front is just clips in by the front bumper. Doesn't take a lot just to take the top of that rivet off. It's something just to prise it open, and oh, there you go, it's already open. Chassis in, base plate is in really good condition. No bends, no breaks, no cracks, nothing in it. And the truck itself's in good condition. No dents or dings or bent bits or anything on there. The axle loops are in good condition as well. It's all nice and straight. I'm just gonna do a little bit of drawing this. I'm only drawing a little tiny touch. I'm not actually gonna thread and screw this one. This one's gonna have the top end of a blind rivet in there. You'll see that a bit later. I did actually miss all that bit. I've missed a couple of bits here. I don't know why. I lost some footage. As you'll see, I'm just doing it in white first of all. This is just a base coat. I've mixed just a touch of PVA in this as well, so that it has a bit of a good key, just like a normal primer does have. The beauty of doing it in white is that you can see where you've been, and you can see that you've got a general good cover. Once it's done, I'm just going to let it tack off for about 10 minutes. I don't want to dry it completely. You should never let paint dry it completely, or else the next coat doesn't stick to it properly, and that's how you get runs. Here we go, it's been tacked off now for 10 minutes, just wait to go in there with the blue. You should, once again, just using the Tamiya colours. And as always myself, I don't use X20, I use isopropyl alcohol, or I use 2K automotive thinners. For this one, I don't want it to dry too quickly, so I'm just going to use isopropyl alcohol. All you've got to do is make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies. One thing about these little trucks that they've got lots of curve space and little tiny nooks and crannies in that from the wheel outs, etc. You just got to make sure you can get paint inside every single last bit of it. It can be quite difficult. There we go, 5 minutes later and it's ready to go again. Onto its second coat. A little bit heavier, just make sure as I'm getting into all them little areas again. And another 5 minutes later, and it's another coat. just a little touch heavier. The next coat after this will be the top final coat. Love this little truck. Loads of character. Yeah. Looks like we've got everywhere now. Let's sit for 5 more minutes. And there we go, it's the final code. I've added some more isopropyl in this to make it nice and thin. That way I can put a nice heavy coat on there, but yeah, it'll still be a thin coat because most of it will be the isopropyl, and that will just evaporate, leaving behind just a nice shiny top coat. You can see the shine of it there. It's looking pretty good. I'm certainly happy with it. Yeah, I was trying to show you the finish I got, but the camera just wouldn't zoom in on, wouldn't focus on it, unfortunately. Time to just give the base plate a quick spray over. Doesn't need a lot. I just wanted it to be black. I'm not going to clear coat any of this. Whilst they're drying, just time to clean up the axles a little bit. I'll be fixing the wheels on using the mounting method. Unfortunately, I missed that for some reason. I lost quite a lot of footage on this one. I don't know what I've done wrong. I really don't. I obviously hit the wrong button somewhere. As you'll see, the base plate's already built up, the wheels are on it. It's just time to put it together now. So just hook the front in. Yep, that fits nicely. So let's get some super glue. Make sure there's plenty around the post and in it as well. Put the front in, firmly press it down into place, and we'll just use the end of the blind rivet there. It's about half the rivet length of normal. It's a bit fiddly here, so I'm just going to put in place with a scalpel blade. Position it in and firmly press it in place, and it's all done. I missed the decals as well, I do apologise guys. Now it's just the final touches, adding some detail to it. I went a little bit overboard on this, as this one's for my own collection. It doesn't have to be standard. I know I said at the beginning it's a restoration, but it's 50-50, it's restoration and stroke custom. Only because of the grill and the panels. I tend to paint the whole lot of it on this one rather than just the inside it like it should actually be when Lesney first produced it. Quite a large grill on this model, to be honest. And that's the bumper. And just doing those little panel lines as I was on about, as they lead around to the front and into moulding that goes to the sides of the radiator. So this one's for me, I've got nobody else to please. I have it basically where I want it on this one. I'm just loving this one. This was a spur of the minute. You know what? Let's do another truck or something. And I'll be honest, the only reason why I picked this one was it was the first one as I put my hands on that I actually got the decals I'd made already for it. Fade, I believe. Here we go. There's how it was. Just to remind you of what it looked like to begin with all the missing paint, the oxidization, missing decals, rusty axles, and what it looks like now. There we go. And that's what it's like now. Hope you'll agree, it looks a lot better. Zoom in for you, there we go. Love this little thing, it's going to look great on the shelf with the others. Let me know what you think, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching once again. I do really hope you did like it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe, got plenty more videos to come.